In this video, I'll guide you through how to insert images into a Google Calendar event. This is really handy if you want to attach visuals like agendas, diagrams, screenshots, or reference photos directly to your meetings so everyone has what they need in one place. First, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that owns or has access to the event you want to edit. It helps to switch to the correct account before you start, especially if you use multiple Google accounts for work and personal use. Once your calendar loads, find the event where you want to add an image. This can be an existing event you've already created or one that someone else has shared with you as long as you have permission to edit it. Click on the event to open the small pop-up window that shows the event details like the title, date, and time. In that pop-up, look for the pencil icon, which is the edit button. Click the pencil icon to open the full event editing page. This is where you can adjust everything about the event, including the title, description, guests, and of course, attachments. On the event editing page, look for the option that says Add Attachment. It's usually located near the description area or under the event details. Click on Add Attachment. This will open a window where you can choose the source of the file you want to attach. You'll see options like Google Drive or integrations such as Lucidchart, depending on what's connected to your account. Click Google Drive if your image is stored there. If your image or diagram is in Lucidchart and that integration is enabled, you can click Lucidchart instead. Just remember that Calendar doesn't embed the image directly into the event body. It links to the file so attendees can open it. After choosing the source, browse through your files and select the image you want to attach. Take a moment to double check that you're choosing the correct file, especially if you have similar versions or multiple drafts. When you've highlighted the right image, click Insert. The window will close and you'll see your image file listed as an attachment in the event. Before you finish, review the event details one more time to make sure everything looks right and that the image is attached. When you're ready, click Save at the top of the page. If there are guests on the event, Google Calendar may ask whether you want to send an update to them. Sending the update is usually a good idea so participants know that a new image or resource has been added. That's all it takes. You've successfully inserted an image into your Google Calendar event, making your meeting more organized and visually informative for everyone involved.